This is the D major 7 chord. Hi, my name is Tom Fontana from TheGuitarLesson.com, and I'll be teaching you the D major 7 chord today. Now this is a pretty simple chord, since all you need to do is place a bar over the G, B, and E strings at the 2nd fret and strum from the D string down. So you'll be needing to apply a lot of pressure here to make sure that none of your strings are buzzing, and you can actually use your middle finger to put some extra pressure on the index finger right there. Now strum your strings nice and slow to make sure that none of them are buzzing. And in case they are, just revisit your hand position. Make sure you're as close to the fret wire as possible. Your finger shouldn't be laying flat, but a bit tilted like that, so you're actually holding down the strings with your bone, not your flesh. And you can apply a bit more pressure with your middle finger as well. Now to practice this chord, we'll be using the chord on, chord off technique as we always do. So hold down the chord, strum it, let go, and put it back. Chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on, chord off, chord on. And that's how you play the D major 7 chord.